Hello everyone. So now I'm going to demonstrate you this RO water system. So let's begin from here. So this is the main water outlet. So it's coming through a valve. I can switch off this valve when I don't use it. So it comes from there and this pipe, and it goes through the spun filter. So spun filter basically it removes all the sands and sleets, whatever the larger particles in the water, and then it goes through this sediment filter. So sediment filter is another filter where it can remove even the tinier particles, the mud, very tiny mud particles and all it can remove. And then this water from this, it goes, you can see that the output goes that side. So it goes through the next chamber. It's a free carbon filter, so it can remove all the gaseous element, any odors in the water, so it absorbs there. And then this water from this free carbon filter I am putting it into this booster pump. So basically RO membrane, it works at a particular pressure. So to pressurize it, we pass this water through this booster pump. So it takes the water and pressurize and put it back to this third chamber there. It's the RO membrane housing. So it's the housing. Inside I have a RO membrane, and then the RO membrane it filters the water. So the good water, the filtered water, it goes through this UV barrel. So you can see little bit the UV is running actually. It has some violet component in it, so you can see that little violet. So it's running basically. And this, the water then comes, and I'm storing it here in this container. And coming to the power supplies, so here I'm using one unused laptop adapter. So the output, it gives me around 19 volts, right? And then but the UV strip I have using here, the UV LEDs, the strip, it works in 24 volts. So I'm using here one boost converter. So this boost converter is converting 19 volt to 24 volt and supplying the power to the LEDs. This pump can run in 19 volt also. It maximum is 24 volts, but 19 volts it works pretty well. And coming to the another half of the water, so the good water comes, and I'm storing it here, but the reject water, so you can see another pipe which has one bulge there, you can see. That's the flow restrictor basically, this one a flow restrictor. So it restricts the water flow. Basically it will be a pressurized water, also to restrict the flow, otherwise most of the water will come to this reject pipe. So here restrict to there. So I'm using a 450 restrictor. So 450 means it restrict water flow to 450 ml per minute. So this is the pipe. So I'm storing it here in this washing machine chamber. So I can use this water later on to clean clothes and all, right? So in this process I'm not wasting a single drop of water. So as you can see, this reject water storing in this washing machine, and the good water is storing it here. So for the TDS, okay, let me stop this video here. I'll make a separate video for the TDS because of size of the video. Okay, so let's stop here. You can see one more time. So I have 4 chambers, pump, and one there, this spun filter. So that's all pretty much the RO system. Very simple.